Tim Thomas. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Side Hustle Income.net program. But before we start the video, make sure you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, tap the notification bell so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Great things are happening. We're going to talk about some income examples. Of course, as an income disclaimer, this is a real business and you have to put forth effort in order to make money with it. But when you promote using our flyers, postcards, the sky can be the limit. Well, I'm back in sidehustle.net. But before we dive into sidehustle.net, the lineup for 2026 is going to be residual income, and big ticket. I am going to be working with some big ticket programs and residual. My top residual is going to be American Bill Money, sidehustleincome.net, downline viral AI viral downline, however you want to call it. And we're going to be working with those three residuals. My big ticket, the Supreme Profit System is being revamped. We're going to be talking about it in the next few days. Hang on tight. It is incredible as what's done. I can't talk about a lot right now, but it's been converted over to a brand new program. We'll be bringing that to you at a later date. I've got my welcome email when you join sidehustleincome.net. You're going to get a welcome email, and this is what was in my welcome email. I'm going to show you the postcard. The company supplies us with two different postcards and your ID number. Of course, you're going to get leads every single month. You're going to get postcards every single month and ID stickers. You're going to get a monthly subscription to the Side Hustle magazine. So I got my welcome email, and it says, "Welcome to Side Hustle program. Your ID number is 219. We will be mailing your marketing kit via priority mail. So you'll be getting 150 postcards, leads, and ID stickers. Mail these out ASAP. And you're going to get a marketing kit each and every month as part of your subscription. Recruit two members quickly. And when you recruit two members, your membership is paid for because you get $75 per member. You're going to get your attached PDF files. These are two flyers that you can use to promote your business. And it says you recommend you start mailing 50 pieces of mail each and every day and spread it out over the month. Consistency is key. And this is how this thing works. And you can directly call the company. If you want to call and talk to the owner of the company, you have any questions, you can call me. You can call the owner of the company. But look at this flyer here, folks. That's what we're working with. Incredible looking flyer. $7,500 monthly forever pay plan. Introducing sidehustleincome.net. That's one of the flyers that you're going to have access to work with. The flyer talks about the monthly subscription program that's been $150. It has the 24/7 number on it, which is a game changer. Shows the 150 pill and stick labels you're going to get per month. The 150 jumbo postcards, personalized ID stickers. It reminds people that they can bring in 20 members, $1,500 a month with only 20 members. Folks, you're talking about retirement income, passive income. You build this thing out and it comes in month after month after month. For every member you sponsor, you can get $75 per month. One of the biggest pays in the industry. And when you co-sponsor, your personal sponsor folks are going to make $25 per month each and every month. Folks, that is absolutely incredible. Here's the number to Mountain Marketing if you have any questions. Credit and debit cards are accepted. A lot of members are starting with their credit or debit card. And, you order your postcards and stuff, and you could be in profit your very first month. Folks, that's incredible. Here's my information, my ID number, my information. If you want to contact me, ID number 219, and you get access to this wonderful flyer. Also in the welcome kit, here's the other flyer the company provides for you. I'm going to be mailing both of them with the 24-hour recorded call. Turn $150 into $7,500 plus per month. And folks, we can build this thing out. Car, house, on the beach, and you get a flyer with your information on it, and you can be able to rock and roll with this simple flyer. Beautiful flyer. We're going to get it. We're going to mail it out. And I'll tell you what, the sky can be the limit with sidehustleincome.net. You can sign up here. You can mail it back into the company and go from there. I'll tell you what, wonderful opportunity, folks, to grow our business. Listen to me quickly. I'll tell you, residual income is what you want. Retirement income. Go where you want to go. There's some of you out there trading Forex. There's some of you out there putting your money into other crypto programs, this, that, and the other. Those things are nice, but there's nothing like, once I take a couple action steps, mail a few postcards a day or a week, the rest of the day belongs to me. I'm not staring at charts. I'm not worried about putting money into a program that I don't know whether I'm going to get money back out of it. But it's set and forget. Let the 24-hour recorded call do all the selling, telling, explaining for you, so you never have to. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Is this resonating? And somebody asked me, well, Timothy, would people join a program for $150 per month? Absolutely. Absolutely. And if a person say they can't afford it, you have to go back at them and say, can you afford not to join? I mean, the way things are now, you have to create walk away income, an income that works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That's why I'm putting in the work now for something that could potentially pay me for many, many years to come. With sidehustleincome.net, you're in the right place. You found a home. You can plant your flag and get your welcome email. You get signed up. The company will send you a welcome email. Give them a few hours. If it's late in the evening or at night, you'll get it the very next morning, and you can be off to the races. You're going to get a beautiful website like this to promote. Our team, and the video sells for you 24/7. This right here explains the program, the monthly subscription program, talks about what's in the marketing kit. And you'll come down here, guys, and you'll put your name, your address, your city, the state, zip code, phone number, email, your sponsor, whoever your sponsor is. If I'm your sponsor, it's going to be 219, and my name, and you click here, and it's going to take you to the order form, and all you do is fill it out. It takes minutes, guys, to be inside the system. You're going to get a welcome email, and you'll be off to the races. Well, folks, I found something that we can plant our flag in as a residual income program, partnering up. Again, we're running American Built Money, Side Hustle, and the Viral program. Folks, that's my time for today. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Hope you have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next sidehustleincome.net video. Get started today, guys. Don't procrastinate another day. Let's go. If you have any questions, reach out to me, call the company, get all your questions answered, and hop in. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next sidehustle.net video.